Well, one question I get is, what is the difference between a C Corp and an S Corp? It is a good question, but for the most part, really irrelevant. Um, I don't think I will probably help anyone for the rest of this year, and it's the beginning of November, um, create a C Corp. You have to have a ton of shareholders, right? I think it's more than 50 people getting together for a C Corp. It does double taxation, which means that that corporation gets taxed and then it distributes the money to the shareholders, and then they additionally get taxed at their individual income rate. Um, yeah, a lot of people, it doesn't make any sense. You have to have a board of directors, you have to have officers. So it's not very practical. So although it's a good question, it's really irrelevant. It's not very practical to the average person seeing these videos. But S-Corps are. S-Corps are nice because they have some of the benefits of a corporation as far as the structure, the management style. It does insulate the shareholders from the debts of the corporation, so it is a separate, perpetual, in most states, entity. I like it because you can have someone who is involved in an S Corp or makes an S Corp election out of an LLC, and they only get taxed, right? Now pay attention to this, and it may not be right. I'm not a CPA, but from what I see as an attorney, um, you only get taxed a certain amount on what you actually withdraw from the company when you're an S Corp. So as an LLC, you get taxed on 100% of everything the LLC makes. And a lot of that's some of your Social Security, disability, unemployment. I guess some of those taxes are taxed on all 100%. But if you make the S Corp election, then you only get taxed on the amount of money you take out of the company. So if you keep 20% of the income within the company, then that doesn't get some of those taxes applied to it, and you get to save some money that way. So that's about the only thing I look at as far as an S Corp. That's a real benefit to most individuals. That's if you're an LLC and you just make the tax election into an S Corp. If anybody is a CPA, I'd love to hear your opinion on it.